Hey, today I'm going to show you 3 ways to do a presentation using Canva. So I'm using templates from my Life Coach's Brand in a Box, and I'll show you how we can present right in Canva, how you can export to use in PowerPoint, and then also how to export a flattened PDF and export into PowerPoint. So first off, I'm just going to show you how to present right in Canva. So if you have all of your slides set up, you'll want to go through and edit these. If you need to change any photos, change any wording, you've got these all ready to go. And then if you click on present right here, it's going to give you some different options. So standard, autoplay, presenter view, present, and record. So presenter view, if you say present, you're going to have these 2 windows pop up. This is your presenter window, this is your audience window, and then when you're using Zoom, you can only select the audience window so that your audience is watching this as you're watching your notes being played here. So that's one way to do it right in Canva. So everything's all ready to go there. And the next way is exporting right to PowerPoint. So a lot of people are used to using PowerPoint. They don't want to learn a new way to do webinars, and so you can export into PowerPoint from Canva. So if you go to Share, then you're going to go to More, and you're going to scroll down until you see Microsoft PowerPoint. You're going to click there, and you're going to click Download. Once that's downloaded, you're going to open it up in PowerPoint. And here you're going to go through and make sure that none of the text got manipulated in a way that you wouldn't want it to. So sometimes what happens is you'll see like add a name here, it went to 2 lines. So you might need to pull some things over to make sure it's the way you want it. Then you can add your presenter notes. Just go through, make sure each slide is set up the way you want to. I notice that sometimes when I export, like little things will get shifted out of place. And so you're going to want to go through and adjust those if you need to. You mostly just want to look for any kind of, when a line doesn't, when it ends before you want it to, like here's an example, that example that we used in the first, how it was going onto 2 lines. And then here in the original Canva file, this wasn't a bold font, but just make sure it still looks like how you want it to, and go through and add all your notes. Another one I noticed is right here. So the self-care wasn't curved anymore because PowerPoint can't read that part of what Canva's having it do. So you might want to delete this so it's not there anymore. But in the next section, I'm going to show you how to keep all of your slides looking just like they did in Canva. So now you have your PowerPoint presentation ready, and now you can present it just like you always do in PowerPoint. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to export a PDF and then convert it into PowerPoint. That way, when you do it this way, then we don't have any of those issues with the fonts and the text, and it just looks exactly like it does in Canva. So the way you do that is we're going to go to Share, and we're going to go to Download, and then right here where it says Flatten the PDF, you're going to flatten the PDF and click Download. Once it's downloaded, we're going to open it up in Acrobat, and which is an Adobe product. So if you right click on it and say open with, you can see if Adobe Acrobat is one of the options. So you open it there, and then you come to File, and you go to Export, and you can export it as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Click Save. Now you'll see that this is a flattened image. You aren't going to be able to change any of the text but it will look exactly like it did in Canva. All right, so that's 3 ways you can do a presentation using Canva and using your templates. All right, have a great day. See ya.